Hey there, Tiff here from the Profitable Sports Coach. What you'll be learning in today's episode, I'm not going to tell you to just go and coach. I'm going to give you the literal day one blueprint. Here is what we're building today: the minimal viable system, how to create your product without a gym, without a website, and without a fancy logo. Number two, the bridge marketing strategy, the 3-step conversation framework to sign your first client for free and turn them into a premium partner. And number three, the professional standard setup, the only 3 business tools you actually need to look like an elite specialist from the moment you step onto the field, onto the court, onto the course. By the end of this video, the "I don't know where to start" excuse will be gone. Did you know most coaches never actually start their business because they think they need a massive facility, a perfect website, or 10,000 followers? They get paralyzed by all the stuff. But here's the truth: complexity is the enemy of progress. To go from 0 to your first premium client, you don't need a gym, you need a system. So today, I'm going to give you the simplicity roadmap. I'm going to show you the 3 exact bricks that you need to lay to launch your sports coaching business from scratch this week. No fluff, no expense needed, just the professional standard. Let's get to work. Step 1. You need a minimal viable system. Most people start by designing a logo. That's a mistake. A logo doesn't get an athlete or your client better. A system does. Your product is not you. It is the result that you provide. And this is where you lean on the 3-pillar audit that we talked about in the last video. Before you book a single session, you must master the assessment of the physical, the mental, and the logistical struggles in an athlete, your client. This is the simplicity shift. Your business plan for month 1 is simple. Become the best in your area at identifying why athletes are failing. If you have an audit in your hand, you have more authority than a coach with 20 years of experience just winging it. Master the tool first. That is your foundation. Step 2 is actually how you get your first client without spending a dime on ads. I call this the bridge strategy. Most coaches shout into the void of social media, "I'm a coach, hire me." But that doesn't work. Instead, you are going to find a gap. Find an athlete or a potential client, offer to do a performance audit for free, no strings attached. You walk them through the 3 pillars, you identify their struggles, and then you show them the gap between where they are and where they want to be. Now, this is the key phrase. At the end of that audit, you don't sell. You simply say, "I have identified 3 major struggles in your performance. I have a 12-week system that is designed to bridge that gap. Would you like to hear how it works?" By offering the audit free at first, you prove your value before you even ask for $1. That is how you sign premium clients from scratch. Step 3 is your professional standard setup. You don't need an office. You don't need a $5,000 website, but you need to look like an architect. Here is your bare minimum checklist. Number 1, professional communication. Get a dedicated email address. No more coachdave123@gmail.com. For example, mine is tiff@tiffany-micah.com. Number 2, simple payments. Set up a Stripe or a PayPal business account where your client is ready to pay. You send a professional link, not a text message asking for cash. And number 3, the field presence. Show up 15 minutes early, have your audit PDF printed on a clipboard, and wear your uniform or whatever it is that you wear for your sport. Focus on your standard, not your scenery. Your clients won't care if you're coaching in a public park or a $10 million stadium. Now, before you head out to find your first client, let's recap the simplicity roadmap for your new business. Number 1, product over presence. Don't waste time on business cards. Your product is your 3-pillar audit. Master the assessment and the business will follow. Key takeaway number 2, offer the audit, not the coaching. Use the bridge strategy. Give the value away for free at first, find the struggles, and then offer the solution. It's the easiest yes you'll ever get. Key takeaway number 3, the standard is the brand. You do not need an office to be a professional. You need clean communication, simple payment systems, and a clipboard. Focus on your standard, not your scenery. Now, starting from scratch can be intimidating, but only if you make it complex. If you focus on the audit, find the gap, and maintain the professional standard, you are already 90% ahead of all the coaches out there. This is the bridge between a trainer and being a business owner. If you haven't seen my first video on how to price these sessions once you start, there should be a video above me somewhere that you can click on, and all you need is that 3-pillar audit to get started. The link is in the description. I'm here to help you build a business that reflects your expertise. And remember, coach with intention and lead with clarity and care. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Take care. Bye for now.